Today we'll be determining whether or not the AirPods Max is actually good for the gym or not. I'm going to split this into 3 different sections. The first is the quality of sound and the quality of the headphones itself. The second is its usability and how good it actually is for the gym. And the third thing is the price. These things are not cheap. The sound quality is amazing, to be honest. It does not disappoint. The build quality, as you can see here, the speakers are all metallic and they're actually made of stainless steel. So if this were to accidentally fall on the gym floor on the street, it's unlikely to get damaged. Here's the thing, if you're doing any activity in the gym that requires you bouncing up and down, or you're just being super active, do not wear these headphones because they're going to get really sweaty and it might mess up the speakers. The AirPods Max cost 380,000 naira. Hey! For that big. So if the AirPods Max is your primary listening device, I personally would not suggest using this for the gym. Speaking from experience, right now, they stink. If you can afford it, I would suggest getting a cheaper alternative, which is the AirPods Pro or the regular AirPods 2. So Android users, if you see anybody using an AirPods Max, show them the maximum respect. Come in peace and welcome to the 1%.